Good morning, everyone. Today I'm on to talk about ineffective innovation strategies for China. Innovation is a way to link invention, which is the creation of new ideas, new products, new services, with commercialization. It's the translation of these new ideas into actual products, actual services that can represent a value for the Chinese market. And China is becoming one of the best places in the world to go if you want to learn how to make your ideas commercially viable. And such knowledge, whether it involves product design for low-cost manufacturing, novel approaches to component sourcing, or ways to accelerate the speed to the market, it frequently lies at the heart of the commercial innovation. Each element requires creativity and distinct types of knowledge, right? And as I always say, knowledge is power in China. You need to have the knowledge and ability to transform this new creation, this new invention, these new products into something that is profitable for the market. And this is where the Chinese business ecosystem excels. Everything is available on the market. And the goal is to create effective, efficient, and inexpensive innovation strategies. Luckily, tomorrow I am going to be speaking on a webinar about a program that is being offered for high-tech companies and innovators. It's called the XG Launchpad, which is an exploration of the Chinese market for high-tech enterprises that are looking to bring these new inventions, products, and services into the Chinese market. And the program in itself, if you get that far, will entitle you to build this invaluable ecosystem that you will need in terms of meeting manufacturing partners, meeting potential investors, and pushing the sale of your products and services in market. If you're interested in learning how to create an effective innovation strategy, please do come join me on tomorrow's webinar, all about this XG Launchpad that is being created for these high-tech innovators to go into the Chinese market and to make their ideas reality. I'm going to provide the link to the webinar above. Please do reach out, and I hope to see you there. Take care and goodbye.